All right, so for the next installment in this video series, we have a truly awful game here. So we've now converted this into just clicking into a game. And so the way the game is going to work is that I'm going to click on one of these. I have to guess which random number we're thinking of. And so if I click on the wrong one, I'm going to get a message that it's either incorrect or correct. And it turns out that in this case, I won because I clicked on the right answer. So we have the very, I won again. So it looks like we have the very beginnings of an actual game going on over here. And so let's talk about how we're going to make this happen. So the key to setting up this process of a game is to create some sort of data structure. In this case, I've got an object down here I'm calling game object, and this object is going to keep track of the game state. Okay, this guy is going to become very complex, but for right now, I've hard-coded the correct answer to be 3. And what we do, there's a lot of stuff that's repeated from before, so if any of this does not make sense, I'd encourage you to go back over here, but I've got sections that are styled. I've got an unordered list that are these pseudo buttons. I've got the area where I'm going to be writing my response over here. I get my buttons and I assign them all to have the same onClick listener, and this onClick listener is going to be responsible for grabbing the actual button press. We grab the My Data field, which you'll remember is this element over here. So it's either going to be 1, 2, 3, or 4 based on which button that we've pressed. And I'm going to do a simple query over here where I checked the choice that the user has clicked against the correct answer for the game. And if they have chosen the correct answer, we get a green button and a win. And if they have chosen the incorrect answer, we get a red button and incorrect. Now, there are many failings to this, right? Obviously, I can get incorrect, incorrect, win, incorrect, win, incorrect, incorrect, win, incorrect. I mean, there's actually no game flow over here, but what we're seeing the beginnings of is the ability to create some sort of entity that our page is working off of. And that's really the key thing here, is that you've got some sort of data structure, in this case, game object, that's going to keep track of the flow and the control of the game to make sure everything is working properly. And in this case, just having the correct answer is a good enough start.